Hello, today we have a course schedule 2. Course schedule 2. There are a total amount of num courses you have to take, labeled from 0 to num courses minus 1. You're given array prerequisites where prerequisites I. You must take course E if you want to take course I. For example, indicates that you take, okay. Return the ordering of courses you should take to finish all courses. Is there any manual to none? If it's impossible to finish all courses, return an empty array. So we have 1, 0 prerequisites. So you take course 0, you have to take course 1. So you have to take course 1, you have to take course 0, you take course 0, and then 1, 0, 1 is the answer. Yes, okay. So prerequisites 4. So you can take 0, 1, then you can take 1, 3. You can take, no, you can take 0, 1, 0, 2, then 2, 3, then 3, 1, then 1, 0, 0, 2, 1, 3. Okay. All right. Pairs are distinct. Okay, so the possible solution for this is we have to first calculate how many prerequisites, let's call it prerequisites for every course. All right. Start from a course with 0 prerequisites. And start from the course with 0 prerequisite, DFS, DFS and so we start from the 0 and we DFS and we remove prerequisite and remove prerequisite from dependent from child course. It's called child course, right? It's like a graph. And if prerequisites become 0, add it to a result array. So result will be array, right? Let's call it result. And the end verify that we have n lengths num courses length of array and so if we have num courses length of array, return it. Otherwise, return just empty array. Okay, so first we have to calculate how many prerequisites for every course. So we create, let's create 3 queues it will be prerequisites as a default dictionary integer, and we do DFS right for EP in prerequisites. Okay, so we will have AB, right? Let's call it AB. And we have indicates that you must take course B first if you want to take A. So track choose A will be the increase +1. Okay, and then start with the courses prerequisites 0 DFS remove prerequisites from child course. Okay, so then we will start for P in Px if P equals 0. What we're gonna call DFS P. And as a result, we if num courses length if array, okay, if length of res equal num courses, we return res, else we return, we don't need, we just here we return empty. Okay, so the most, this is most nitty part will be DFS. So if recuse P DFS P. So first thing when we get P, what we're gonna do? Oh, we have to build a grid. Oh, so we just add right. We add P because now we have to do for yeah, we have to build a adjustments grid as well for every prerequisite. So let's call it 2, 3, 4. We build a adjustments list for DFS, right? Because we cannot run DFS on just prerequisites, right? We have to build adjustments list. And let's call it, it will be adjustments list will be default list. And so we add adjustments list of A. Yeah. append B, right? Then for DFS, we have adjacency list now. All right, and so now we have adjacency list for every element in adjacency list for P, right? What we're gonna do, we can decrease prerequisites for this element because we are going it's we are started with prerequisite 0 for this element, so we can -1, and then if prerequisites equal 0, then we can call DFS on element, right? No, if prerequisite is 0, meaning we can add it to result. Yes, I think yes, add it to result. Because there is no prerequisites on this course, so we added to result. Otherwise, no, but we cannot append it right away. So it may be appended, it may be, yeah. So we call DFS only if prerequisites are 0, right? We call it. Otherwise, we just do nothing, I think. Okay, added to results. Let's run it. Run this one, right? Okay, so we have number of courses, 4 prerequisites, 4. Okay. So we build adjacency list, and adjacency list will be as follows. Okay, so first we start with this one, and we build one like this. One depends on 0. Then two depends on 0. Then 3 depends on 1, and 2. Okay, we build adjacency list. Now let's build prerequisites dictionary. It will be, so it will have dependencies. It's also dictionary, but with dependencies in it. And one will have one dependency. 2 2 will have a 1 dependency, 3 will have a 2 dependencies, and that's it. But we have to add 0, okay? So when we start, we don't have a 0 here. So I cannot do prerequisites here. I have to start from number of courses. Let's do range, number courses. Okay. Then I will start from number courses 0. If prerequisites fee is 0, I will call DFS. You will call DFS, it will add 0, so result will be result will be 0. Then for every prerequisites for 0, we don't have adjacency matrix for 0. How do I know? So am I doing it wrong? So I have to add vice versa. Okay, let's build another, call it adjacency list, but maybe I'm doing it wrong. Let's call it reverse adjacency list, but I'm not sure if it. Yeah, I may be doing it wrong. So we'll have adjacency list like this: B A, right? And let's see what we have in what I call reverse adjacency list. But I think it may be correct adjacency list, but I'm doing it incorrect. So it will be 0, 1, then 2, then 1, 3, then 2, 3. Right? So 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, 3, and 2, 3. Okay. And then what I will do, so I will start from 0. And if prerequisites for 0 equals 0, okay, it will be, because it's default dictionary will give me 0, I will call DFS, which is good. Then I will go let's move it here. Then I append 0, so first element will be 0, and for all reverse 0, and I change the prerequisites to 0 and call DFS on that. I call DFS, I will append. There is no row for 1. There is a row for 1. RAL for 1 is 3. I will call DFS on 3. So 0, 1. One, two. Two. Wait, I'm lost. Okay, and then for 2, and we see dependence of 2 is 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Oh, 0, 1, 2, 3. Yay! Yeah, it should work. Okay, let's run it. Error was never defined. I think I defined it. Okay. Yeah, so let's remove all. Let's call it all adjacencies. You know what? Let's keep it this way. Because I have an explanation here, I don't want DFS key. Okay, can't access DFS and advance the shift with the. Okay, I have to move the same is down here. It will be our step. Okay, yeah, we have to do it here because we would have to define the procedure first in that order. Okay. The output is empty. What? What? Okay, now more courses to prerequisite. Okay, if prereqs row. Let's print result. What we are getting? Print result. Zero one one. Why 011? Oh, but 3 or no? Different one. This one is not running as well. This is 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. Why it's added 1, 2 again? Why? So DFS. So we have to run if not. Do I have to run it if it's not equal? No, it shouldn't be like this. But it's working. Okay, something wrong. So let me think. If prerequisite is 0, do we have to call DFS for that? Because there is no prerequisites here. I just have to add it. Okay, let's play this way. Yeah, if there is no prerequisites, I will just append it. Otherwise, I will pull DFS. But I cannot append it by default if prerequisites are not 0. So you know, but in yeah, it's correct. If prerequisites are 0, that means that I have to decrease all prerequisites for this node. So this is why I have to call DFS. But what if prerequisites are not 0? So we're going to 0, 1, 3. Why are we going into 3? Okay, so we start from 0, and then we have 1, 2. Prerequisites for 1, 2 are 1, right? 1, 1. Prerequisites for 1 is 0, which is 1. Prerequisites for 2 is 0, which is 1. Prerequisites for 3 is a 1. Prerequisites for 3 is a 2. Okay. And we're gonna have 0, 0. This is okay. Then we start from num courses. We call DFS. I have to run it manually again, I think. Okay. We start from 0, it's 0. Okay, so we call DFS. DFS, we add in 0 here. For every in-row, so we have 1, 2. We decrease prerequisites for the 1, 2. So prerequisites become 0, 0. No, it's not like that. So first we take 1 and we decrease prerequisites for 1. And if prerequisite is 0, which it is, we call DFS. We add 1 to results, and then for every 1 connection, which is 3. Oh, okay. So I'm doing DFS. Okay, so which is 3, we decrease, okay, yes, it's correct. Then we go to 3, and for every 3, we decrease it, but it 2. So we decrease it to 1, right? But it's not 0. We are not calling DFS on 3. and we return. And we return back to 2. Oh, unfortunately, I'm out of time, and there is definitely something wrong with this DFS call, and I cannot figure it out. I need to work more and figure out what's going on with this. But that's it for today. Thank you for watching.